Hey gang, Josh R. Comics and Gaming is having a contest. He wants to know what character we'd like to take a day trip with. I will say Longshot. And it's not just for his luck powers that I could use to score keys in the back issue bins, because I could use Domino for that. I said, no, there are many reasons to take a day trip with Longshot. He has special attraction powers, but he's also got a blonde mullet and leathery skin. So if a group of girls should gather, I'm sure I could get one of them by saying, come on, let's ditch old man MacGyver and have some fun. Also, Longshot has hollow bones, which isn't a big help if he's going up against She-Hulk, but it's sure to be good for traveling, just like birds. One of the reasons birds have hollow bones is to be lighter for long-distance travel. I don't know if that works if you're in a car, but whatever. And the final, real reason I'd want a day trip with Longshot is so that I could use his luck powers to score keys in the back issue bins. You gotta understand, I need some sort of edge. I went to one city, Googled comic book stores. The place that came up had about 20 comics bent in half and with $3 stickers right on the books. That would never happen with Longshot at my side. And the other kind of stuff I find are decapitated Shrek heads. Maybe it's a piggy bank. Maybe it's a no-kill rat trap. 1970s warming trays probably still in the box because the owner realized, this thing stinks, let's just buy a microwave. And boxes full of comics. Oh, it's Babysitter's Club and Sweet Valley High books. I should just switch to collecting these. I find them more often than comics. But it's not just Longshot's luck that I want. He has psychometry powers, meaning he can touch an object and predict its future, like its future value. You could just pass him wads of Neo keys and he'll predict which one will bounce. He'd be better than Mr. Miracle Comics at picking spec books, and that's one of my shout-outs because we need to do 3 shout-outs. I'll also shout out Funk Off, and you'll want to watch his videos because he does secret giveaways. And I'll also shout out Mr. D, who's just on a European vacation and hopefully found some comics in those cathedrals. So thank you to Josh R. Comics and Gaming. Thank you for this contest. I'll have your link and everyone else's link in the description, and I'll have your link at the end of the video. Yep, it was very tempting to pick Domino because she's got luck powers too. But listen, her luck powers are so strong, she was lucky enough to not have to take a day trip with a guy who would be ogling her cleavage and her barely covered leather-clad crotch.